Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Proper project dependency management is crucial for any professional Python project. It ensures that your project runs smoothly across different environments and that you can easily manage packages and their versions. Overview of dependency management. 1. Understanding dependencies. Dependencies are external libraries or packages that your project requires to function. For example, if you're building a web application, you might depend on libraries like Flask or Django. 2. Virtual environments. It's best practice to isolate your project dependencies using virtual environments. This prevents conflicts between package versions across different projects. 3. Dependency files. Managing dependencies typically involves creating a requirements file, requirements.txt, that lists all the packages your project depends on. 4. Package managers. Tools like pip and pypenv or poetry help manage packages and their dependencies. Steps for professional dependency management. Step 1. Set up a virtual environment. You can create a virtual environment using the built-in venv module or using virtualenv. Using venv. Step 2. Install dependencies. Once your virtual environment is activated, you can install the packages you need using pip. Step 3. Freeze dependencies. After installing the packages, you can create a requirements.txt file that contains all the installed packages and their versions. The requirements.txt file will look something like this. Step 4. Install dependencies from requirements.txt. When you want to set up the project in a new environment, you can install all dependencies at once using. Step 5. Using pypenv for enhanced management. Pypenv combines the functionality of pip and virtualenv. It automatically creates and manages a virtual environment for your projects and adds/removes packages from your pip file as you install/uninstall packages. Install pypenv. Create a new project. This creates a pip file and pipfile.lock in your project directory. Pipfile lists your direct dependencies. Pipfile.lock locks the versions of your dependencies for reproducibility. To install dependencies from the pipfile. Step 6. Using poetry for advanced dependency management. Poetry is another tool that simplifies dependency management and packaging in Python. Install poetry. Create a new project. Follow the interactive prompts to set up your pyproject.toml, which will contain your dependencies. You can add packages using. To install dependencies. Example project structure. Here's how a typical Python project with dependencies might look. Conclusion. Effective dependency management is key to maintaining a clean and efficient Python project. By using virtual environments and tools like pip, pypenv, or poetry, you can ensure that your project remains portable and manageable, allowing for easier collaboration and deployment. Additional tips. 1. Regularly update dependencies. Use tools like pip list outdated to check for outdated packages and update them as needed. 2. Use a .gitinerary file. To avoid committing your virtual environment or other unnecessary files to version control, create a .gitinerary file. Example content. 3. Documentation. Always document the purpose and usage of your dependencies in your readme.md to help other developers understand your project better. By following these practices, you will enhance the maintainability and reliability of your Python projects.